What's up guys? Today we're going to be making a DIY bird feeder. So for this bird feeder we're going to need some food, obviously, 2 plastic bottles, Sharpie or any type of marker, a knife, and plates. Okay, so I started already here a little bit. So you can see I tried creating the little square that I'm gonna cut out, but it was obviously a bit too small, so I'm gonna make it a bigger one. There we go, that's one. Okay, and then the second one. You have to make one on each side. There we go. Now we're gonna have to cut it out. I cut it out here. It's not perfect, but it'll work. Pieces here. Okay, so now once you cut out these squares on each side, you have to cut it in half. So we cut the top, and it made this funnel that you can use for many other things. So it should be looking like this so far, with two squares right here, and the top cut in half. Okay, so now for this bottle, for the second bottle, take the marker, you put a dot on one side, because this is going to be like the lid of where you pour in the bird feed. Okay, so put a dot here, take it across till here. Okay, so now once it's cut, it's going to be like a little strap. So I cut it from the top. I cut it a little bit more than my dots, so it should just be able to open like this, because then you're going to be putting the bird feed in here, and it should be able to close just like that. Oh, and I also forgot to mention that you need any type of hot glue or super glue, because you're going to be gluing this in place like that on the plates. So you can use any type of plates, any type of old plates. I would recommend plastic, no metal, no glass, no styrofoam, nothing like that, just plastic. If you have anything like old laying around your house, make sure to use that. But since I didn't have anything at home, so I asked my mom to go get some. You don't need any type of expensive plates. These are just dollar store ones. So now you're gonna take your hot glue or super glue, and you're gonna put it at the bottom of this bottle. So I got some hot glue right here. Okay, there we go. Let's stick it to the bottom, to the plate. There we go. Okay, so it should be looking like this. I'll give this a couple minutes to dry up, so then it's ready to go. Okay, so it just finished drying up, the hot glue. Okay, so you want to make sure that it's firm, it doesn't fall off, so when the birds come and eat, it doesn't just tip over. Okay, so I cut it, then you have to cut it from the sides, so it has to be like completely apart. So both sides, make sure it's like that. Then you take the bottle right here, okay, you have to put it in here. So you get like a scale or anything, you have to measure it. So then these sides right here, the cap needs to be lower than them. Okay, so then the bird feed doesn't just pour out. So yeah, that's good. So then, okay, so it's like that, and then about this high. Okay, so it needs to be lower than your edges. Make sure that it's lower than your edges. Then you take your Sharpie right here and any type of marker. Okay, so I'm gonna take this, like that. You have to put the markings around here, okay? Then you put the markings, because this is where the glue is gonna go to hold it in place. Okay, so let me just put the markings around the area. Okay, there we go. So I put the markings around the whole bottle. So now we're gonna take our hot glue. Okay, now we're gonna put the glue on here. So then it matches with the lines, and then we're gonna glue it. So I need some help with holding the bottle in place on the bottom, so I'm gonna call my brother. Just hold the cap. Okay, make sure that it's lined up with your markings. Just gonna do this real quick. I'm running out of some hot glue. Let's get this stick right here. So there we go. So it's pretty much done. I just need to get this last one over here. So I have made this nice and secure with like tons of hot glue on it. Okay. So there's a 360 view. Make sure that both sides are equal, and then the cap is lower than both sides. Okay. So now we're gonna. So that was the last step. So now all we have to do is pour the bird feed in. So my brother's gonna come and hold that. Okay. There we go. Okay, so that much is enough. So as you can see here, that it got jammed up. So then it fills the bottle. You just poured the bird feed in, and that's pretty much it. It got jammed up here, so that's a good sign when it fills this. Okay, so as you can see, whenever I take some out, it starts pouring out. Okay, that's a good sign. That means that it's working properly. So there you go, that's your bird feeder ready. We're gonna test it, we're gonna put it outside, and yeah, let's go. So we set up this table right here for the bird feed. So yeah, we're gonna see if it works, and if it works, then we're gonna put some pictures up.